Welcome to the parameter video. This video, like the other videos, is divided into 3 sections. First is a sample sales pitch for parameter. In the second section, we'll review the materials you'll need to conduct a presentation on parameter. And finally, we'll cover the most frequently asked questions, starting with general questions and then the internal only questions. First up is the sample sales pitch.
Parametre is a lightweight, expandable textile solution that is great for partitioning space or decorating walls or ceilings. Parametre is a slightly altered Hunter Douglas duet shade that we cut patterns out of to create the final aesthetic. Order Parametre to size, and it can come as large as 14 feet wide by 14 feet tall. So many decorative solutions have paneling or seaming complications for large features, but with Parametre you can add beauty and large elements with a single piece of material. Parametre can be seamed in the vertical application to create large pieces that could be used in an open atrium, for example. It could also be turned on its side and curved to create a breakout space or huddle room. It is a Class A fire rated and looks stunning as a hung ceiling application. At $15 to $20 per square foot, Parametre is very useful in retail spaces as well as exhibit design. Parametre is available in several standard patterns, including Mega, Hexa, and Quad. Each of the standard colors can be combined with any of the standard patterns. Parametre is a non-woven polyester, similar to the Tyvek material used in FedEx bags, so it is tougher than it looks. And as a Hunter Douglas shade, this material was originally designed for residential installations. You can specify that Parametre is only cut on one side, which we call half cut, to increase the element of privacy and shade for your specification. The standard installation uses a metal bar and rare earth magnets to securely fasten the Parametre. Parametre can also be specified through us with several standard Hunter Douglas window solutions with this material, including an easy tap solution that we call Lift, or mechanized solutions that are great for conference room settings like we show in the marketing store installation.
There's a number of materials that you should use to conduct an effective presentation on studio products. Right now we'll focus on the materials you should have to present on parameter. First, you'll need the standard Parameter Complete Kit, which contains samples of all the available parameter colors. The other portion of the parameter kit should be used to show the 3 standard patterns which are cut into the eggshell white color. You'll also show the metal bar and magnets, which are the standard installation hardware. On the right is the Parameter Lift system. This is the Hunter Douglas window shade hardware system that is available with Parameter. During your presentation, you should also show a large parameter sample. This is an effective visual to use when describing parameter. Remember that you can use the overview fold-out brochure to show examples of the entire studio line. This brochure is a great giveaway for each attendee at your presentation. Finally, you should have a studio catalog, which shows all of the studio offerings. Each A&D library or firm should have at least one copy of this catalog. How is Parameter installed? Parameter is very easy to install and will typically take about 30 minutes to install a 4x8 foot piece. A detailed, easy-to-follow instruction manual is included for a standard installation. Each standard Parameter order comes with its own set of hardware: 2 metal bars, rare earth magnets, screws, and anchors for ease of installation. All of these items are included in the price. Now, the steps for a standard ceiling-to-floor installation are the following. First, using the steel bar as a template, position it in the desired location on the ceiling and drill holes into the ceiling according to the pre-drilled holes in the bar. Second, fasten the magnets to the ceiling. Third, slide the steel bars through the top and bottom of the screen and then place the end caps on each end of the steel bars. Fourth, suspend the screen from the magnets. And fifth, lower the screen to the floor. How do you clean parameter? Parameter is inherently antimicrobial because it's made of 100% polyester, which means it's safe for aqueous environments and will not grow bacteria or mold. Additionally, it contains an anti-static property, meaning the material actually repels dust. The recommended cleaning methods include the following: feather dusters, compressed air canisters, rinsing in a tub of water, or spot cleaning with a mild detergent solution. What is the lead time, price point, and size availability for parameter? The standard production lead time starts at 2 to 3 weeks. The price for parameter starts at $18 to $25 per square foot for most materials. When it comes to size availability, the standard bar and magnet mounting system can be sited up to 14 feet wide by 14 feet high as a single screen. Can parameter be offered in a larger dimension than 14 feet in either direction? Solutions can exceed 14 feet in width or length, although to achieve a longer width, there will need to be multiple pieces installed side by side. To increase the length, parameter can be seamed together to achieve most lengths. The seam is difficult to see, and the seaming charge is about $25 per seam. How durable is parameter? Here are some points to consider with regards to the durability of parameter. Since parameter is a non-woven polyester, it's a bit stronger than just paper. Also, parameter is the same exact material as Hunter Douglas duet shades, so it's designed to handle a residential space in high volumes. Also, parameter is anti-static, so it requires much less cleaning than a typical building product that is not anti-static. Now, with those things in mind, be aware that there will be specifications, such as in a childcare setting, for example, where parameter would not be recommended. What are the most popular uses for parameter? Parameter installations vary greatly, as it's a flexible textile and can be used in a variety of applications. Some of the most popular uses include partitions, both vertically and horizontally, light diffusers, ceiling applications, taut or scalloped, architectural twists, wall coverings or hangings, window treatments, decorative panels, and exhibit dividers or drapery. Is parameter UV stable, and is it fire rated? The answer to the first question is yes, parameter is UV stable. Also, when it comes to fire rating, parameter was tested with the ASTM E84 standard as well as the NFPA 701, and it received a Class A rating. What are the acoustic properties of parameter? Parameter does not have the same strong absorptive properties as woven wall, but it can absorb up to 70% of sound energy, and it does carry some acoustical value due to its texture. The textures and angles of parameter diffuse or scatter the sound, which decreases the reverberation time relative to a flat wall surface. In addition, the acoustical value can be increased by leaving one side solid and die cutting the other side. Pricing is not affected when choosing this option.